Hello to everyone, and today I will show you how to add auto captions on your video if you want to upload it into TikTok or maybe to YouTube, so it will be easy for you to done on the iPhone or even on the Android. So let's get started. We need the only one app called CapCut. So let's go inside. It is the so good video editor, but today I will show you only one feature of this app, how to add auto capture. So make sure that you are downloaded it. If it wasn't, so you can go to App Store or Play Market and try to search for CapCut and download it right up here. As you can see, I already downloaded, so I will only open this app. Now we need to start a new project, so click on the necessary button, on the big blue button right up here, and choose the video you want to add auto caption. So click on it. So here we can see our video, see our timeline. I want to delete the last part of the video, the add of this app. So here we can see
Hello
our
to
video.
everyone, and today I will add some captions to this video. By the way, this is my Apple case. So let's get started.
So to add auto captions, we need to click on the text area, and here we can see auto captions, so click on it. Now we need to choose the sound source, the original sound of the video, the voiceover. We can add the voiceover if you want also in this app, but I would like to choose the original sound. Select the language. We can choose everything, but I think that English is enough. And click on dynamic captions. Click start. So CapCut creating auto captions. Let's see what's going on.
Hello to everyone, and today I will add some captions to this video. By the way, this is my Apple case. So let's get started.
I think it was pretty easy and now it looks pretty good. So if we'll click on this text, by clicking on this timeline with text, we can just change some style or everything we want. So we can, for example, add some text. Hello, but I won't do this, and we can also change the style of this text somewhere here. So I hope it was useful for you. If it was, please like, comment and subscribe.